Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to reset injector maintenance Lexus RX 350 easy method. Start by locating the diagnostic connector under the dash and connecting a compatible OBD-ROMAN 2 reader. Keep the car in a safe, level spot and use the parking brake. I will walk you through the simple reset sequence step by step, including clearing codes and confirming the maintenance light turns off, all in a calm, easy pace for listeners. Follow these steps slowly and talk out loud as you perform them so you can follow along. After connecting the reader, note any engine or injector codes before erasing them. Use the tool to clear the specific injector maintenance code and then cycle the ignition to verify the light is gone. If the light returns, record the code and inspect wiring and connectors before repeating the reset procedure carefully for safety. If the injector maintenance light reappears, stay calm and systematically troubleshoot the likely causes. Check connectors for corrosion, ensure electrical taps are secure, and verify the fuel filter is not clogged. Cleaning contacts and replacing a cheap filter often stops recurring warnings. If you still see the code, it's wise to seek a pro diagnosis to avoid misfires or damage and keep a log of codes for your mechanic.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.